welcome to my live stream. This is my another live, and this is a new project. So everyone, hurry up and join my live. And this is our CRT project. Okay, get launchful newly added CRT project. CRT stake USDT or CRT to earn reward delivered in real time. Okay, and CRT project will be launched on Get Launch Pool stake USDT or CRT to earn CRT token reward every hour. And airdrop details staking period. This is the time of total staking reward 3 CRT and unlocking rules. Get launch pool allows users to stake early. You can stake your asset before the project officially launches, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once mining begins. Reward distribution: the system will be distribute token reward to user spot account every hour based on the proportion of assets staked by each user. And newcomer exclusive staking pool: only new users who sign up after June 14, 2025 at UTC are eligible. How to participate: log in to your Gate account and complete identity verification. Navigate to launch pool, hold at least 0.1 USDT or 1 CRT. Click stake. Okay, and here is the project information. CRT project is an AI powered Web3 content platform where creators submit story ideas and earn CRT tokens as their content is adapted into monetizable script and media backed by top investors including Genesis blockchain. So everyone, thank you so much for joining my live stream. Okay, and create to earn model transforming imagination into income. Okay, then there are some notes. Number one, Get Launchpool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Okay, and please complete identity verification before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assets. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited, and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the reward. Where any discrepancy arises between the translated version and the original English version, The English version shall prevail. Number 5, Gate reserves all rights to the final explanation. This event is not afflicted with Apple. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services participation in this event, game or competition. See the user agreement for further details on restricted location. And risk warning. And notice that GitLab did not invest in CRT project. Okay, and risk warning are, first of all, the project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its initial sale price. Please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. Number 2, the crypto project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risks. Number 3, advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risks of crypto asset investment. The market volatility is high and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and marketing factors. Users may not be able to withdraw all the purchased token due to technical issues of the project or gate. Okay, so this is published by Gate Team, June 16th, 2025. Gate out to crypto trade over 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. And this is about all Gate.io official page or Twitter, Telegram community, and Gate app. And this is the Gate's official website link. Okay, and this is our CRT official website, Create to Earn. Welcome to CRT, where your imagination becomes real content and earns real values. Key features of CRT: AI story adaptation. CRT's AI engine analyzes and restructures user submitted stories. Okay, cohesive screenplays and visual storyboards. Okay, ready for production. And decentralized collaboration. Writers, creators, and reviewers work together across borders through a blockchain powered system that guarantees fair ownership and attribution. Every meaningful contribution uh, earns reward points, which are converted into CRT token and redistribute when the content is commercialized. Okay, and CRT vision, decentralized storytelling. CRT ecosystem global since 2025. We believe that storytelling should not be limited to studios or insiders. CRT enables global users to write, submit, and own stories on a blockchain powered platform where every voice can contribute and earn. And create AI as creative partner. CRT AI engine built in house 2025 ongoing. Our AI doesn't replace creativity, it empowers it. by transforming user input into choosy production ready script and storyboard. CRT accelerators cannot creation while receiving the creator original vision. Okay, and create to earn reward system BCC based on launch Q2 2025. The C2E model reward users for their ideas, creativity, and participation. Submission and points which convert to CRT tokens, ensuring real economic value for imaginative contributions. From story to revenue, content licensing and distribution 2025 feature. When CRT developed content is licensed or monetized through media partnerships, that revenue is fairly shared with all contributing creators through smart contract based distribution mechanism. Okay, how CRT works? CRT transforms the traditional content pipeline. Instead of centralized production, our platform enables global collaboration, AI processing, and on-chain revenue sharing. Step 1, submit your story or idea. Step 2, AI adapts it to script storyboard. Step 3, content gets licensed, you earn CRT. Okay, AI powered story adaptation, decentralized collaboration, tokenized revenue sharing, immutable ownership via VSC, and CRT token distribution. The CRT token is core utility and reward mechanism to the create to earn ecosystem. A total of CRT token have been minted. Okay, 30% community rewards for writers, creator, and active participants. Ecosystem growth 20%, 10% development and OPS, 15% team and advisors, 10% reserve fund. Okay, and CRT project roadmap. Q1 2025 CRT token launch BSC smart contract audit complete. TMA Telegram mini app core architecture start. Q2 2025 TMA beta test launch AI story engine interruption MVP. Community engagement campaigns begin. And Q3 2025 open beta launch TMA first commercial storyboard auction content monetization pilot with studios. Question 4 2025 revenue sharing via smart contract launch of government's voting system partnership expansion. And 2026 and beyond web or mobile full platform launch create DAO implementation AI driven dynamic content platform global licensing pipeline. Okay, Meta, the CRT core team, Lucas Tran, Rachel Lim, Noah Carter, Syrier Brooks. Okay, founder and CEO, Singapore, Safe Product Officer, CTO, Head of Community. Okay, and get in touch. Interested in partnering, investing, or just curious about the future of AI powered content creation? Reach out or join our community. This is the official CRT project XYZ. This is the Telegram. Create to earn. Okay. Okay. So this was our whole CRT an introduction overview of the CRT project. The CRT project Create to Reality Token is an AI powered decentralized content ecosystem that transforms user generated stories into real world media production by enabling users to collaborate. Okay, so I was in by enabling users to collaboratively write and submit narrative scenarios. CRT use advanced artificial intelligence to adapt these contributors into structured scripts and visual storyboards. These are then developed into film series or advertisements, creating a transparent and community driven media pipeline. All contributors are rewarded through CRT token, reflecting their creative impact and ownership. Okay, and vision and mission. Vision to okay, to build a new paradigm in storytelling where anyone can create, contribute, and co-own the future of media through the power of AI and blockchain. Mission CRT empowers global creators by bridging creativity with technology. Our mission is to decentralize the creative production process, reward participation fairly, and produce high quality media through collective imagination and AI collaboration. What is Create to Earn C2E? Create to earn is the core philosophy of the CRT ecosystem. It represents a shift from passive consumption to active creation. In the C2E model, users earn rewards not by playing games or investing capital but by creating meaningful narrative content. Every scenario submission, story refinement, and collaboration in the creative process is monetized. AI acts as a co-creator, adapting user input into production-ready formats. Once the content is realized in the media industry, profits are shared back with the original contributors, closing the loop of creativity, collaboration, and reward. Current trends in AI and creative industries. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming creative industries across the globe. From generative art and script writing to music production and video editing, AI is no longer supplementary tool. It is becoming a creative collaborator. Major studies and content platforms are integrating AI to accelerate pre-production process and personalized storytelling. Simultaneously, decentralized technologies like blockchain are enabling more equitable, transparent, and borderless creative ecosystem. The convergence of AI and Web3 is unlocking unprecedented opportunities for user driven innovation in content creation. Okay, AI is no longer supplementary tool. It is becoming a creative collaborator. Major studios and content platform are integrating AI to accelerator. Okay, okay. So enabling more equitable, transparent, and borderless creative ecosystem. The convergence of AI and Web3 is unlocking unprecedented opportunities for user driven innovation in content creation. Okay, problems in traditional content creation. Despite the advancement in technology, the traditional content industry remains centralized, opaque, and exclusionary. Original creators often lose ownership of their work once submitted to agencies or studies. The barriers to entry are high, and only a fraction of global talent has access to meaningful opportunities. Revenue distribution is heavily skewed toward production campaigns, leaving writers, editors, and small contributors under compensate or unrecognized. These Outdated system hinders innovation, limits diversity, and slows the pace of creative evolution. Why decentralized creative collaboration matters? Decentralized creative collaboration empowers communities to co create, co own, and co benefit from the content they help build. With blockchain technology, contributors can transparently track their input and receive fair reward based on real impact. When combined with AI, this model scales storytelling into a collaborative ecosystem where creative potential is not confined by geography, status, or traditional gatekeepers. CRT leverages this decentralized structure to build a participatory platform where imagination is rewarded, stories become assets, and collective creativity drives the next generation of media. Okay. How CRT transforms creative collaboration. CRT redefines the process of storytelling by turning it into a dynamic, open collaboration between users and artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional models, where a select few control creative direction, CRT opens the door to global participation. Anyone can contribute story ideas, since concept or narrative sequences, which are then integrated into a large shared creative universe. The platform functions as a living creative space where user generated input is enhanced and structured by AI, breaking down the silos between creators, editors, and producer. AI driven scenario adaptation and storyboarding. One of CRT's core innovation lies in its AI engine, which process which processes and refines user submitted content. The AI not only understands narrative flow and character development, the AI not only understands narrative flow and character development but also adapt fragmented inputs into cohesive script. Over time, with enough contribution, the AI generates complete storyboards, visual breakdowns, and production ready outlines. This eliminates the traditionally slow and expensive early stage planning process, dramatically accelerating content readiness for production in film, TV, web series, and advertising. Community participation and reward mechanism. CRT's ecosystem is powered by its users. Every contribution, whether a single paragraph, a character idea, or a complete scenario, is logged on chain and attributed to its author. Contributor earn points based on the quality, relevance, and integration of their input. These points are later converted into CRT token which carry real world value and can be traded. Finally, when a final content pieces is monetized, e.g. through licensing or streaming, revenue is shared proportionally with the contributors involved, ensuring fair and transparent compensation. And scenario submission process. The creative journey within the CRT platform begins with user participation. Anyone can submit original story ideas, scene draft, dialogues, or full-length script. These submissions are categorized by genre, tone, and narrative type, then stored immutable on chain. To maintain quality, each submission is peer reviewed and AI assessed based on originality, coherence, and contribution to ongoing project. Top rated submission are selected for further adaptation, while all contributors earn participation points regardless of skill or experience. And AI adaptation and storyboarding. Once selected, the CRT AI engine begins transforming raw user input into production ready content using advanced natural language processing and creative pattern recognition. AI generates fully formed screenplays, character arcs, and sequential storyboards, visual scene breakdowns, emotional pacing, and even potential casting profiles are automatically included to support the pre-production phase. This process significantly reduces human resource and time burdens typically required in script development. And media production and commercialization. Upon completion of the storyboarding phase, the finalized packages are offered to partnered producing studios, streaming services, animation houses, and marketing agencies. CRT operates as a decentralized media incubator, bridging grassroots content with professional producers. Each project is matched with the appropriate production channel and commercially launched through licensing deals, co-productions, or internal content deployment. CRT acts as both a platform and a facilitator in this transformation from concept to consumer facing media. Revenue distribution structure. Once content is monetized, revenue are distributed through a smart contract based model. Contributors, writers, concept providers, and reviewers receive their share in CRT token based on a transparent contribution index. This index factor is submission impact, AI utilization value, and community validation sources. The distribution mechanism ensures that creative credit is not only recognized but financially rewarded. This closes the full cycle of the create to earn model, turning imagination into tangible economic value for global participants. Overview of CRT token. The CRT token, Create to Reality token, is the native utility and reward token of the CRT ecosystem built on the Binance Smart Chain. CRT enables fast, secure, and cost efficient transition across all platform layers. It is used to reward contributors, facilitate governance, and power the ecosystem's economic flow. The total supply of CRT token is fixed at CRT. And Crypto Princess, hi. Okay, Crypto Princess. Token utility and use cases. CRT tokens serve multiple essential functions within the ecosystem. Rewards right Contributor rewards writers, editors, and scenario participants earn CRT token based on their creative input and impact. Revenue sharing. When content is monetized, revenue is distributed to contributors in CRT tokens. Staking and access. Token holders can stake CRT for platform privileges, early access to premium project, or curation right. Governance. CRT holders can vote on key decisions including content, funding, future proposals, and ecosystem upgrades. Marketplace transactions. CRT is used for purchasing AI services, enhanced content generation tools, and collaboration slots. And token allocation. Community rewards 30%, and this is the amount. Ecosystem growth fund 20%, development and operation 15%, liquidity and listings 10%, team and advisors 15%, reserve fund 10%, total supply 100%. And vesting schedule. Community reward 33.33% at TGE token generation event, then liner release over 15 month. Ecosystem growth fund 6-month cliff, then liner release over 3 years. Development and operation 3-month cliff, then liner release over 4 years. Liquidity and listing 20% and TGE token generation event remainder over 1 year. Team and advisors 12-month cliff, then liner vesting over 4 years. Reserve fund locked for 1 year, then released gradually over the following 4 years. User workflow. The CRT platform offers a seamless and intuitive user experience from creation to compensation. Users can register, explore ongoing project, and submit story ideas or scenario draft directly through the platform. Submission are automatically categorized and stored on chain. As content progress, users receive updates about how their contributions are being used, whether integrated into a large narrative adapted by AI or selected for production. A personal dashboard tracks contribution history, points earned, and token balance in real time, ensuring full transparency and engagement. AI engine and scenario processing. At the core of CRT lies a proprietary AI engine designed specifically for creative content generation. It analyzes user submission using natural language understanding, accesses narration strength, and matches fragments to build cohesive storylines. The AI handles narrative rest, restructuring and adaptation, character development and dialogue generation, visual storyboarding and scene pacing, uh, literative collaboration with multiple user contribution. This modular AI pipeline enables scalable processing of creative input and reduce the need for costly early stage production planning. And reward and revenue sharing system. All platform interactions are connected to transparent point to token conversion system. Contributions, whether textual, conceptual, or collaborative, are scored using a hybrid model of AI evaluation and community voting. And gate user, thank you so much for joining my live stream and welcome here. And also thank you for your comment. Okay, points earned are converted to CRT tokens based on their role in finalized content. When media derived from user generated content is commercialized, smart contracts distribute revenues proportionally to contributors weighted shares. This creates a sustainable circular economy where creativity is directly tied to economic reward. And next, security and data protection. The CRT platform integrates multiple layers of security and privacy protocol to ensure user data content ownership and transactional integrity. Blockchain integration. All contribution and reward distributions are recorded immutably on the Binance Smart Chain. Content attribution. Unique digital signature tag each submission, preventing plagiarism and enabling transparent ownership tracing. Data privacy. Personal data is stored in encrypted environments with user and controlled access settings. Smart contract audits. All critical smart contracts undergo external audits to prevent exploitation or fund mismanagement. With this structure, CRT ensures that users can safely create, collaborate, and earn knowing that their ideas, identities, and reward are fully protected. Uh, Next, media contact licensing. One of the primary revenue streamer. Revenue stream for the CRT platform comes from the storyboard and scripts are transformed into media ready asset. As finalized storyboards and script are transformed into media ready assets. CRT negotiates with external production companies, streaming services, animation studios, and content distributors. These entities license the right to produce or distribute CRT originated content, generating revenue for the platform. Each license deal is governed by smart contract ensuring transparent tracking and fair revenue calculation to contributes based on their share in the content's creation. This licensing framework allows CRT to monetize creativity at scale while empowering individual creators. Advertising and brand collaboration. In addition to licensing, CRT generates revenue through strategic collaboration with brand and advertisers. As stories evolve into media ready formats, they can uh, be tailored or enhanced for brand integration, product placement, or campaign driven storytelling. CRT enables advertisers to access a curated pool of community driven content where brand narratives can naturally blend with user generated ideas. Furthermore, brands may sponsor creative challenges, fund specific genres or themes, or reward high performing contributors with CRT tokens. This introduces a dual benefit, engaging marketing opportunities for businesses and monetization channels for the creative community. Development phases. The development of the CRT ecosystem structured in progressive phase to ensure scalability, user engagement, and functional stability. The initial focus is on building a robust and accessible foundation through a Telegram mini app, which acts as the entry point for user interaction, story submission, and AI based content generation. Phase 1: Infrastructure and TMA development, smart contract architecture design and audit, token deployment on Binance Smart Chain, scenario submission framework integration, AI engine based model training for text analysis. TMA development begins focused on submission, voting, and point revert mechanism. Internal testing for uh, functionality and scalability. Phase 2: beta launch and user testing. Telegram mini app TMA development completed in Q2. Closed beta test launch with selected early user and creator. AI scenario adaptation test in live user environment. feedback collection on UX, UI, AI accuracy, and rewarded flow, smart contract based reward system activated, marketing pre-launch campaign began, phase 3 public launch ecosystem expansion, open beta launch for global user, full integration of create to earn model, strategic partnerships with creative communities and production studios, onboarding of early brand sponsors and content buyers, governance module testing, platform analytic and iterative AI model upgrades, phase 4 full commercialization 2026 and beyond. First AI curated content pieces licensed to media partners, revenue sharing payouts to contributors via CRT tokens, expansion into additional platforms beyond Telegram, web, and mobile app, creator DAO structure, and full decentralization of platform governments, monetization of AI services, API model for third party creators. Um, Key milestone and launch plan: CRT token launch basic Q1 2025, TMA core future completion Q2 caution to 2025, closed beta test launch Q2 2025, open beta global Q3 2025, fast licensed content deal 2025, create governments launch DAO, full platform commercialization 2026. Core team members: Lucas Tan, founder and CEO, Singapore. Lucas is a visionary entrepreneur and AI strategist with over a decade of experience in creative technology. Before founding CRT, he led innovation at a Singapore based AI lab specializing in narrative generation. He now spearheads CRT's mission to democratize content creation through AI and blockchain. And Raquel Lim, Chief Product Officer, Singapore. Raquel has a strong background in user experience design and interactive storytelling, previously with C Group and a blockchain media startup. She leads CRT's production vision, margin, and Noah Carter, Chief Technology Officer, based in San Francisco. Noah is a senior machine learning engineer and architect with deep expertise in NLP and decentralized system. He formerly served as lead AI architect at a media tech firm and now oversees CRT's AI engine and blockchain. And Syra Brooks, head of community partnerships. Syra specializes in global media marketing and DAO ecosystem building. She has driven community growth for several prominent Web3 projects and is now focused on scaling CRT's creator network and media industry partnership. And final remarks: the CRT project stands at the intersection of creativity, technology, and community, by combining AI driven content adaptation with decentralized participation and transparent tokenized rewards. CRT offer a new paradigm for how stories are told, owned, and this is more than just a creative platform, it is a living ecosystem where imagination transforms into impact. From story contributor to token holders, every participant plays a meaningful role in shaping the content economy of the future vision of CRT. Looking ahead, CRT envisions a global network of creators, thinkers, and storytellers collaborating without borders. As the platform grows, we aim to evolve into a full scale decentralized media studio where AI work alongside human creativity to produce high quality film series and advertisement rooted in community input with advanced AI tools are transparent reward structure and a commitment to open participation. CRT is building the foundation for a future where stories are no longer owned by a few but created, shared, and profited from by many. Okay, so this was our CRT project, and we are talked about Git Launch Pool CRT project, stake USDT or CRT to earn reward delivered in real time. Okay, everyone. Okay, CRT project will be launched on Gate Launchpool stake USDT or CRT to earn CRT token reward every hour. Airdrop details staking period June 16, 2025 at 12, June 24, 2025 at 12 UTC. Total staking reward is 3 core CRT. Staking pool USDT newcomer exclusive. Okay, and unlocking rule, and this is rules. Okay, CRT development and OPS team and advisors with long term vesting for sustainability. And CRT project roadmap, and there are the Lucas Tan, founder and CEO of CRT from Singapore, Raquel Lim, Chief Product Officer Singapore, Noah Carter, CTO from USA, Syra Brooks, Head of Community from USA, backed by global partners Vertex, Golden Ratio, Globex, Hudson, lunatic. And there is the official page link of CRT project, and this is the Telegram and AI story adaptation. Okay. And decentralized collaboration create to earn with CRT. And this is the conclusion, final remarks. Okay. And advisors and partners. And core team members. And this was the key milestone and launch plan and development phase and advertising and brand collaboration, media content licensing, security data protection. Okay. Okay. So everyone, this was our CRT project. So everyone, just 2 minutes left, then I will close my live. And you can see here that our today's project about CRT. And CRT project will be launched on Gate Launch Pool. Stake USDT or CRT to earn CRT token rewards every hour. Okay. And this is the staking period of this CRT. And Gate Launch Pool allows user to stake early. You can stake your asset before the project officially launches, ensuring your start earning reward immediately once mining begins. And newcomer exclusive staking pool, only new users who sign up after June 14, 2025 at 12 UTC are eligible. How to participate? Log into your gate account and complete identity verification. Navigate to launch pool. Hold at least zero point 0.1 USDT or 1 CRT and then click stake. Okay. Okay, gate user 3E AD Raki A99 MI07 Panda Crypto No Time Hidayat Tasya 05. Everyone, welcome to my live stream and thank you so much everyone for joining my live stream. And now I will close my live and I will do my next live after few hours. I hope you will all will be joined here. So thank you so much everyone for joining my live stream and bye bye and take care.